you want to protect your skin from premature skin aging, such as lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation issues, it's crucial that you protect your skin whenever you're in the sun. And for that, Nu Skin has two options for you. We have our Sunright 35 and our Sunright 50. And both of these will protect your skin from UVA rays and UVB rays. They're water resistant, they are non-greasy, you can use them for your face and your body, and they can be used by the entire family. You'll find that they're a bit pinkish in color. That's because they contain carotenoids, which is a form of antioxidant. And they also contain other botanic ingredients, for instance aloe vera, meaning that they're going to hydrate and soothe your skin whilst being in the sun. They are 100 ml, meaning that they're travel size friendly, so really easy to pack if you're only bringing your hand luggage on your travel. Besides this, you should remember to protect your lips, and for that we have Sunright Lip Balm with SPF 15. It contains ingredients such as sunflower oil and vitamin E, so it's really going to give some moisture to your lips and at the same time protect it from the harmful effect of the sun. So stay safe and enjoy the sun.